Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something truly special here with me for a quick review. I have 5 Peter Rassenti full dress knives, like something out of this world, rarely seen together. And first of all, let me say a big thank you to my buddy Guillaume for sending some of these guys along. And second of all, let me say that you should not forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, of course. So let's check out what do we have here. We have something truly special. Peter Rassenti large Nirvana 3.0 Mokutai handle matte damasteel blade. Guys, these are 5 full dress Peter Rassenti knives. Incredible stuff, absolutely fantastic. Knife maker. He's from Canada and is one of the master of integral handles, because look at this. This is one solid chunk of mokutai. Look at the layers on the back of the handle and this beautiful milling going on the scale. And of course you have a nice jimping right over here. Beautiful, beautiful matte damasteel going on. Fantastic grip, hollow grind, nice sharpening choil, beautiful drop point blade, runs on bearings. You got a zirconium pocket clip. Very, very nicely done indeed. And this is the large Nirvana 3.0. And here you got the small Nirvana. And this is a fantastic example of a stellite core Sanmai Damascus blade. Would you look at that? This is a truly special blade. Stellite core with a jacket of Damascus around this very, very bright core. Look at this contrast going on over here. And of course, you've got your Mokutai integral handle, zirconium pivot collar, like of course the collar right over here. You've got a Mokutai pocket clip, nicely done, matching the handle of course. Also the hardware is matching the handle, really, really cool. I believe that this is Zirc pivot, not sure, but correct me if I'm wrong. And I mean, this is just a solid option for a compact knife. Really, really cool, guys. Would you look at this beauty right over here? Just a crazy one. Next up, we've got the Snafu 2.0. Would you look at this bad boy over here? It's just crazy. This is Snafu 2.0, so it's the second iteration of this fantastic knife. You've got as well Tai mask, Mokutai, integral handle. You've got a Sanmai Damascus blade, which is not a stellite core. I'm not sure which core is this. XHP, I'm not sure, but still, it's a here you're gonna see 5 different blade styles, blade materials, but the handle is gonna be the same. This is the Snafu 2.0. There's no pivot collar over here. You've got a nice finger choil right over there. Look at that. The grip is fantastic. Jimping is one of the most aggressive jimping I've ever seen. Absolutely functional. You've got a zirconium pocket clip. Of course, you've got the classic Peter Rassenti logo, like hidden, kind of hidden. This guy's a little bit underneath the clip, which is a classy touch. I think these are zirconium stop pin, because this one is the only one, in this case, that there's no internal stop pin. The stop pin is external, right over here. In fact, you can probably see that it's leaving like just a tiny mark right over here, because it stops the blade right there, and also on top right over here. Same thing that happens in the Custom Knife Factory Snafu 2.0, because it's the same design. And also you can check my review if you want to know the differences between the Snafu production Snafu, the Nirvana production, and the Paisan production, which are made by Spyderco, by the way, and Custom Knife Factory for the Snafu. So this is the Snafu 2.0, beautiful piece. You can actually maybe you can flick it like that, but it's not like that comfortable. Of course, just use the flipper tab and you're gonna have a fantastic action, like whipping out like crazy. Just a fantastic one. And the sound, guys, it's one of the best sounding knife I've ever handled. It's like a whip when it opens, and it's like, again, I don't know, some marbles clinking, or it's very, very acute sound, which I truly love. Beautiful fuller, hollow grind, just a fantastic one. It's a beast, and it's a big one. Next up, we've got the small Paisan, which is the latest iteration of this model. Also, you've got integral mokutai handle, nicely done, chamfered. You've got a matching Damascus pocket clip, beautiful, beautiful hardware. Of course, zirconium pivot collar. And look at that, you've got this absolutely stunning hollow grind Wharncliffe blade, dragon skin Damascus pattern. Like, this is a dragon skin Damascus blade, which is these are ball bearings, basically stainless steel ball bearings coated in like nickel plated and then welded together, and then they created like a billet which has been ground by Peter Rassenti with this beautiful hollow. Look at the hollow grind like that. It's just phenomenal, guys. This is absolutely stunning piece, beautiful jimping, nice and comfortable in the hand. Probably, I would say, the least comfortable because my hands are big and this is a little bit too small. Like this one, it's small, but it's a fantastic EDC-able size. Of course, here you got also a mokutai matching pocket clip, signature right over here underneath the clip. Just a stunning one. I mean, of course, this is a great knife. If you want to check out the full-length review, don't forget to check that out. And lastly, but not least, you've got another Nirvana 3.0, which is a large as well, but as a mirror polished Damas steel blade instead of a matte one. Handle is basically the same, just the pattern is changing. Of course, there's a Zirc pivot collar on this one, and you've got like slightly different pivots, of course, but it's the same thing. So you've got, in this case, a matching mokutai pocket clip, and you've got also, like in this case, an amazing action, really, really smooth when closing. Guys, this is really, really good. This one feels good in the hand. You have maybe a little bit of sharpness right over here, but it's nothing too crazy. I kind of like it because it gives you like a pretty cool grip when you just squeeze the handle. Really, really good, guys. So yeah, I mean, this is just a quick overview of these 5 Peter Rassenti full dress knives, which I think they're truly outstanding. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.